Also in the news tonight, two clearly insane people broke into a wig store today and stole 2 wigs. This just in. 2 clearly insane people broke into a stable tonight and stole 2 donkeys. You know, folks, as a professional journalist, I have to wonder if these stories are related.
So, you're the 2 lounge singers.
Yes, we are, prick.
Those wouldn't happen to be your donkeys outside, would they?
Why, no. I mean, we might have stolen them, but that doesn't make them our donkeys, does it?
Never, Jerry, never.
So, did you get us the piano player that we requested?
Yeah, he's up there on stage.
Does he have a piano?
Yeah, it's that big thing in front of him.
Well, does he have fingers?
Yes, he does.
Good. Introduce us or die.
Yes.
I love him.
But I love him.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the pre-show part of the show.
Leave.
I hope you're enjoying the pre-show part of the show. And now that the show is about to begin, I hope that you'll enjoy the show part of the show. And when that's over, I think your favorite part of the show will be the describing the show to the police part of the show. Our first act are a couple of guys who...
Sisters! We're a couple of sisters!
Of course, are a couple of lovely sisters who want you to know that they are, in fact, lounge singers and not 2 clearly insane people. Leave. Ladies and gentlemen, one hand clapping against the other makes a very nice sound for Sizzler and Sizzler.
Good evening, pricks. I'm Jerry Sizzler, and this is my sister.
Jerry Sizzler!
We, of course, are 2 lounge singers.
And not 2 clearly insane people.
No.
What the hell is he doing on
Get
stage?
the hell off our stage, prick!
We could kill you with our bare hands.
Yes?
Sizzler and Sizzler is an a cappella act.
We perform alone whenever we perform.
And this is our first time.
Wrong.
Wrong! Wrong!
Wrong.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Tie a yellow ribbon round the oak trees. It's been 3 long years.
Sing, you pricks! Now the whole damn bus is chilling!
And I can't believe I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 54, 55, 56, 57,
99.
100, yes,
100, yes, 100 yellow ribbons round the oak tree. Thank you. Shut up, you pricks. I'm Jerry Sizzler, and this is my sister.
Jerry Sizzler. So, where are you pricks from?
That's where pricks from. Strangers in the night. La, 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 la. We don't need to know the lyrics. We're stylists.
Well, the time has come for us to mount our donkeys and leave. For you are beginning to bore our clearly deranged minds.
Wrong.
Oh,
Wrong. Wrong. Wrong.
Ooh, look who happens to be in the crowd tonight. The famous and wonderful Roy Orbison.
Give him a big hand. Maybe he'll come up on stage and give him a little encouragement.
Give him
Come on, Roy. Come
Roy.
on. Give him a little hand. Come on, it's working. Working. Ladies and gentlemen, the late, the great Roy Orbison.
No, I'm not Roy Orbison. I work at colorization, but I don't agree with that. I'm not.